This is just an overview of the Proxxon Industrial Torx, E-Torx, and Tamper Torx set. So we've got a metal case. Objects don't move around. 3 Torx L keys. So this is a Torx 10 L key. We've got a Torx 8 L key. And we have a very tiny Torx 6. These sockets here are all half drive. So this is a half drive Torx 55. We've got 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And then we've got E-Torx, which is the external Torx, half drive. So it has a nice amount of bevel here. Some sockets tend to be a little more shallow on this bevel, and the sockets don't actually seat all the way down on an E-Torx. And then it also has a nice overall depth to it. So that is a look at the E12. Here's a look at the E20. Let's also just take a quick look at the E20 half drive. The E-Torx here are all quarter drive. These Tamper Torx are also quarter drive. They've got a quarter drive E-Torx all the way down to a 4. 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And here is the E-Torx 10. And then they've got 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, and 30. T-Torx is for tamper, or a security bit. So it's a tamper or a security Torx. Here's a quick look at the Tamper Torx size 30. Okay, so that is a quick overview of the Proxxon Industrial 23102 Torx, E-Torx, and Tamper Torx set. Thank you for watching.